Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blower motor resistor in a Ford Escape. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents any electrical shocks during the process. Next, you'll need to locate the blower motor resistor, which is typically found underneath the passenger side dashboard. You may need to remove a few trim panels or screws to gain clear access to the component. This initial step ensures a safe and accessible workspace for the repair. Once you have clear access, the next step is to disconnect the old resistor. Begin by carefully unplugging the electrical connector that attaches to the blower motor resistor. These connectors often have a small tab you need to press or slide. After the connector is free, you will typically find 2 or 3 small mounting screws securing the resistor in place. Use an appropriate screwdriver to remove these, then gently pull the old resistor out of its housing. It should come out without excessive force. Now it's time to install your brand new blower motor resistor. Carefully slide the new resistor into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and correctly. Once it's in place, reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting screws you removed earlier. Make sure these screws are snug but do not over-tighten them. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new resistor. You should hear or feel a click, indicating a secure connection, which is crucial for proper function. With the new resistor installed, the final steps involve testing and reassembly. First, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring a tight connection. Then, turn on your vehicle and test all the fan speeds on your climate control system. Verify that the fan operates correctly at every setting, from low to high. If everything works as expected, you can then proceed to reinstall any trim panels or screws that you removed earlier, completing the repair. Enjoy your fully functional fan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.